Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use changing photos on Apple Watch face. So if you want to use multiple photos on your Apple Watch face at the same time, so that each time you tap on the screen or you unlock the screen, the Apple Watch face is going to change, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to use or set changing photos or see your Apple Watch face, all you need to do is go ahead and grab your iPhone. Now, once you grab your iPhone, unlock your iPhone. Once unlocked, go ahead and click on the Watch app. Now, on the Watch app, locate and click on Face Gallery on the navigation. Now, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to Photos. So, just keep scrolling. Then here, you see we have Photos. Now, click on that. Once you click on the Photos, come here and select Choose Photos. Then you want to select multiple photos. That is the list of photos you want to set as you're changing photos on your Apple Watch. So now let's say I want to select this. I'm going to select 3 different photos to be used as my changing photos on my Apple Watch face. So search through it again and then select it. Okay, let's use up to 7. Then go ahead and click on Add at the top right. Then you should see the photo added. Now you can scroll down, select your time size, time font, numerals, styles. Then once you've selected and set up everything here, come down to complications, choose what you want to have on the complication as a widget. So let's say you want to have alarm, bottom, let's say you want to have battery. And then click on add on the photos. Once you hit the add button on the photos, hang on while this is added to your Apple Watch face list. Then once added, you see it added to my watch. Then go ahead and click on my watch. Then you should see the watch face here. Click on it once. Scroll down. And then select set as current watch face. So once you select set as current watch face, go ahead and grab your Apple Watch. Then you should see your watch face like this. Click on it. You see that? So that's exactly how to set multiple photos as watch face on your Apple Watch. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.